guys, welcome back. I'm here with another haul video. So yesterday I went to Salvation Army. They opened for the first time, so it was the first day that they opened. The entire store was half off and it was pretty crazy because I was expecting it to be crazy overcrowded, but it actually wasn't. I want to say there was maybe 10 people in the entire store. They didn't have any new inventory, so everything that I got was whatever was left in the store before they closed. Before we get started though, I also just wanted to mention my air conditioner is on. I know it's very loud, but it is like 100 degrees outside, so that needs to stay on. And as I mentioned before, if you guys see anything that you are interested in, feel free to message me on Instagram and I will sell through PayPal before getting it listed on Poshmark. So I'm going to show you everything first that I have here on this rack. This is all from the Salvation Army, and then I will also add in another haul clip in this video of some retail arbitrage stuff. So let's get started. The first thing I have here is a band of gypsies, so you guys can see the tag. And this is really cute. It's actually a jumpsuit and it's like extremely wide leg, if you guys can see that. It's always so awkward showing things on camera, like what you want to show, but I guess you get the idea. Next up, I picked up just purely on style. I've never heard of this brand before. It's called KOB. Customs. I have no idea. That's what the tag looks like. I'm thinking it's probably like a boutique brand, but it's this sheer like maxi beach cover up and the entire side has slits. So I feel like this will look really cute like going to the pool or a beach. So it's like you're wearing a maxi dress like over top of a bikini, but I feel like it's kind of like sexy sheer. And then the next thing is one of my favorite items that I found. It's by Vintage Havana, which this brand typically sells around $20–25 for me, but it does sell. So it is a tie-dyed cold shoulder and it's actually a romper. I keep forgetting to say sizes. I'm sorry guys, I am awful with that. I know you guys comment all the time, you forgot to say sizes, so I do apologize. This one is a size small. The Band of Gypsies jumpsuit that I showed first is a large, and then this one doesn't have a size, the sheer maxi cover up, but I would say that it would be about a size large. Alright, next up we have this really pretty like bohemian dress. This one is by Lush. Let's see if I can find the tag. Alright, it's down here. I've noticed that like boutique brands like this never have the size on their tag along with the other ones, so this is what the Lush looks like, and the back has like this really pretty lace-up detailing, and let me see if I can find, it is a large, so I'm happy about that. We do have quite a few larger sizes here. The next thing is a Rana Gill, which is sold at Anthropologie. Let's see if I can show you guys. This one is a size small. It's really, really pretty. Sleeveless. It has floral and it has like some crocheting details. And that is what the back looks like. Next up is another boutique brand. I find a lot of boutique brands in my area. This one is Mustard Seed, and it is a size small. This one is another romper, and this can actually be worn like on or off the shoulder. It's blue, but I don't know if it'll show up on camera, but it's like a tie-dyed blue, which I'm obsessed with tie-dye. I think everyone is right now. Next up is Lucky Brand, size small. And this one I grabbed for style. I think it's really cute. It has the tassels in the front, the boho print, and then it also has like this bead embellishments along the front. This one I picked up purely on style again. It is by Chaps and it's a size extra large. I'm always trying to add in more larger sizes to my closet. So this is like a boho sweater and it has like these dolman big wide sleeves. They're like almost balloon sleeves, but not really, but I feel like this will look really cute when it's like worn. Alright, this one is by Como Blue. It is a size extra large. Yep. And this one I picked up just on style. It has like the knot front and it has the crochet detailing all along here and also on the shoulders. So that's what that one looks like. This one is another extra large. It is by Banana Republic. It is sheer, so it's all lace. It's a navy blue and it has bell sleeves. And I thought this would be cute for fall, even though like we're going to summer. This one I just couldn't say no to. Like, it's only Old Navy. It's a size extra large, which is great, but I really like the color of it. It's like a pink striped and it is a wrap front. You guys can see that. I thought that one was pretty. You guys already know that I love American Eagle, especially their shorts. These are the high-rise festival ones. And what size are these? These are a size 8, which is a great size. Fix this. So that's what the front looks like. And then I really like the back. So it has like this fake pocket. So it only has one pocket in the back, but I thought these were cute. I actually think I own these. I have so many American Eagle shorts. This one, obviously I picked it up for style. It's H&M, it's leopard print, it's a size large. Here we have an Erie and Alley by Anthropologie. This one is a size small, and I just picked it up because of the little details. It's like a flutter sleeve with some ruffles here. The next one I picked up is by Something Navy, which is sold at Nordstrom Rack. It is a size small. I am a personal fan of this brand. Every time I go to Nordstrom Rack, I usually find things for great prices, and I like the style that this brand has. It's very contemporary, and it has like really pretty details here, and it kind of has like a puff sleeve. It is black. I don't know what color it's going to show up on camera. I know sometimes colors can be a little wonky on camera. This was my favorite find from yesterday. It is Alice and Olivia. It is a size 4. And it is this really pretty shift dress. And I really like the back exposed zipper. I don't know. I really like this. This one was the only vintage find. It is marked, I think, as a 16. Oh, an 18. So it's marked as an 18, but looking at it and comparing it to me, I would say this would probably fit about a size 12. It's a very pretty Hawaiian dress, and the back has like the super stretch detail, and then it also has a built-in bra, which I thought was kind of cool. Like, it has a little bit of padding, so you don't have to wear a bra with it, which is even better. Next up is one of my favorite brands to sell. It is Altered State, and it's a size medium. This one is really pretty. It has balloon sleeves that are laced, and it has like the little ruffle peplum hem, but it's not the peplum that's like tight. It's more of like a flowy. Okay, I actually ended up getting 2 things that are vintage. I forgot about this one. It is brand new with tags, and it is vintage. It is a size large, extra large, and I just really like this. I feel like someone would wear this like on the boardwalk or at nighttime at the beach. It just says Vineyard with a little seashell, and it's a peach color, and it's textured. This one I just picked up based on style. It is by Ginger G. It's a size medium. But I actually really like this material. It's like a knit and it's very soft. Alright, we have some more tie-dyed stuff. This one is by 143 Story, which is a boutique brand, and that's what it looks like. It's just very oversized. It has slits on the side. And let me see if I can find the size. Again, these boutique brands always have the size like in the inside near the material tag. So this one is a size large. And again, it does fit oversized, so I feel like even like an extra large could probably fit this. And then this one is also another tie-dye. This one is by Go Couture. I've never heard of it, but it is made in the USA, so I'm guessing it's probably another like boutique brand. That's what the tag looks like. It's a size extra large, and again, it's a very flowy tie-dyed top. Next up, we have a Peruvian Connection, another size extra large. So I'm actually really excited that I got a lot of larger sizes. They do better for me. And this one is just a plain like linen burnout tee. It has a lot of, you guys can see like the burnout variations of color. And I think this one is linen. Let's see if there's... Okay, so it's actually 100% cotton. I'm surprised. It feels like linen though. Alright, so this one I picked up based on style. It's by Mary Sky. It's a size 1XL, made in USA. I'm guessing it's probably another boutique brand. I think all of this stuff came from the same person. But I thought the colors with the stripes was very pretty. It has like the balloon sleeve. So that was everything that I got at Salvation Army. I'm going to show you everything that I got retail arbitrage. And like I mentioned, if you guys are interested in anything that I show, just let me know. Just shoot me a message through Instagram. I will say the prices for these items. So first up is this graphic t-shirt. This one is a size large. It is brand new without tags. However, I did notice while steaming that it has some bleed through on here from like a pair of jeans, probably from being in the bag with some jeans I bought for myself. So this one will be $15 shipped. This one is another t-shirt. This one is a size large. It is brand new with tags. The front says Open Roads, and then the back has this really cute graphic that says "and desert vibes," and it has a picture of a desert. So again, size large. This one will be $25 shipped. This one is probably my favorite. It is a size medium, but it runs pretty big. I feel like this could definitely fit a large, possibly an extra large. And it is the Breakfast Club, and then the back says the Breakfast Club. This one will be $25 shipped. Next up is another t-shirt, size small. This one says "Be the one who wonders, go your own way," and it just has this cute graphic of a road. This one will be $25 shipped. This one is a size medium. It's brand new without tags. This one's really cute actually. This one might be my other favorite. It is like a tie-dye with all different types of flowers. This one will be $25 shipped as well, and the back is just tie-dye. This one is a size large, and it is brand new with tags. It says "No bad days" with butterflies. It's very slouchy. And yeah, did I say the size? Size large. This one will be $25 shipped. Okay, this one is actually my favorite. It is a size small. It's brand new with tags. It says Dreamer, and it has a cactus and all of this fringe detail, and that's what the back looks like. This one will be $28 shipped. So I picked up 2 of the same skirt. These ones will be $25 shipped. One is a size large and the other one is a size medium, and they're just midi length. I thought these were so cute. They're like pleated and they have like a retro like 1960s vibe to them, and they'll be cute paired with a couple of the t-shirts. Some of them will match, others not so much. And then I also picked up 2 of a similar style, but these ones are leopard print, and they're again like the pleated, and they're midi length, and I have a size extra large and a size medium. These will also be $25 shipped. Alright, so last 2 items are shoes. I have this pair of Sam Edelman, and it says head in the clouds. These are a size 7.5. They are brand new without tags. These will be $30 shipped. And I also just wanted to mention the inside. If you can see this one, I tried to remove like the stickiness from me ripping off the size sticker, and the product that I used just decided to take off the entire brand, but it doesn't compromise the wear on them. And then the last pair of shoes, these ones are an 8.5. These ones will be $35 shipped. They're really, really cute sandals with the little like coins like embellished, and they are brand new as mentioned, size 8.5. So that was my entire haul from yesterday. I basically just like shopped all day until it dropped. So thank you for watching. I also just wanted to say thank you for everyone who has ever watched my videos or subscribed to my channel. I am coming up on 4 years of doing this whole reselling thing full-time, and 4 years since I actually started this channel, so it's pretty cool to see how far I've come and how much my channel has grown, etc. So if you're not subscribed, make sure you do subscribe. I'm gonna still just keep doing my thing with posting hauls, so take care everyone. Bye.